Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the charging animations between the MI11X versus IQ7 smartphone. So let's see friends which phone will be having the better charging animations when you're trying to charge the both phones. So right now I do have the IQ7 device and the MI11X smartphone, as you can see. And in case if you want this kind of punch hole wallpaper, so make sure to join my Instagram page. So there you can find the giveaway which I'll be announcing for this kind of punch hole wallpapers. So make sure to join my Instagram group and let's begin this kind of charging animation comparison test. And one thing is that in the IQ7 device you do have the special effect where you can change the charging type of animation. Let me to quickly show you what are the changes you are having in this phone. So if you go to the dynamic effects option, so there is an option which is called the charging animation, as you can see here. So here you can find different options where you can select what type of animation you want, as you can see friends, which is option. So whereas in the MI11X device you need to install any other themes to get that kind of options, but by default I am trying to see what will be the charging animation present in this phone versus this IQ7 device. So let's get started friends. So first let me try to connect the charging port to this MI11X device and let's see what type of animation we'll be getting here. As you can see friends, so let me try to connect again the charger. So which shows you MI Turbo Charge. So there will be three different stages of charging methods in this phone. One is normal charging, second is quick charge, and third is MI Turbo Charge. MI Turbo Charge means right now you're utilizing 33 watt fast charger, and that's why you are getting really good high speeds charging. And let me try to even show you the animation what I'm getting. As you can see friends, on the top of the notification as well, you'll be getting really that kind of shocking animation which says the phone is charging with really super fast charging. So now let's begin this with this kind of IQ7 device in terms of the charging animation. So let's see friends which phone will be looking better. So right now it's charging, and let's see with this phone. And only one disadvantage is that in this MI11X device the charging animation will not be available every time. As you can see friends, it's not available every time, it will try to disappear again after some time. But in the IQ7 device the charging animation is available always, as you can see here. That is another one advantage which you are getting. So there are different animations which is available right now. Let me try to select this animation and let me try to show you how it looks. As you can see friends, there is another type of animation, as you can see friends. So in terms of the animation flexibility, I did like the IQ7, so where you do have so much of customization in terms of the animations what you are getting, as you can see friends, which is really cool. So this is a quick comparison friends between both phones in terms of the charging animation, and overall my impressions are like IQ7 has got really good high-end customization which is present in this phone, as you can see here. So whereas the MI also should think of implementing this kind of charging methods in this phone. In here you can get the different animations if you use the different themes. So here you no need to use any kind of theme, just with the extra options you can just get different kind of animations, as you can see here. So this is a quick comparison friends, and thank you for watching this video, and make sure to check the links in description how to participate in that giveaway of this 15 promo codes which I'm trying to plan for this application for the punch hole. So make sure to join that one and get the one promo code friends. So definitely it is a really good interesting wallpaper which is available for the punch hole mobile phones. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.